This particular tool is called the E2 Pro. It's a relatively new product. It's been developed specifically for EV vehicle markets. Nice lightweight metallic feel, couple of little buttons on there, nice visual LCD display, picture of the car. I've got our battery voltage, the serial number and connection method. Let's get straight on to starting of the tablet and let's see how quick it takes to respond. So as I push the power button, so VCI really quickly respond to connection with vehicle. Got our startup screen happening now. And we're ready. So that was 32 seconds all the way from start through to our first screen to detect. So what is really quite nice is the screen. It's really bright. Visually, the colours are just popping out quite nicely. You've got a nice green, the orange and the red and the blue there. The tablet itself, the stand on the back is really quite fixed and quite firm. Hangs really quite nicely on the steering wheel. We've got that component test, which is quite a nice, unique feature that allows you to connect directly to specific EV components. So that allows for like off the vehicle bench testing as well. We did notice in the kit an array of cables that plug directly into battery packs and converters and various others. So just a quick overview. In component test, we've got airbag repair, BMS repair, we've got a component test there with the 48 volt, we've got compressor detection, we've got state of health and drain the coolant and DC-DC detection. So some additional applications that we don't generically find on the petrol and diesel diagnostic testers. You can see straight away that this tool has been designed specifically with that EV market boom that we're seeing right now. We've got our battery pack detection. Let's go on to the diagnostic with the global scan. Straight away, vehicle selection. We've got two icons, one for normal Skoda and one for Skoda with a little electric vehicle symbol. We'll treat this as the electric vehicle Skoda, so I'm assuming the difference between obviously the petrol and diesel and our electric vehicle. Quite easily and quickly identified and decrypted the VIN number. With regards to secure gateway, this tool knows that the vehicle operates the SFG, which is the secure gateway, has got the ability to get through the secure gateway system. However, there will be a third-party activation code to generate from somewhere else, not actually inbuilt into the tool. So that's something obviously that we are aware of, that we do know that's in development at the moment. So when that's available, that'll be a green thumbs up there for SFD and secure gateway. Really quite a lot happening here on screen with very, very descriptive pre and post scan, automatic scanning, full system diagnosis, component deprotection, SFD. We've got coding, programming. What's really interesting as well on this as well is some guided function help on here as well. Some guided testing as well. Some nice real, looks as though it's got a lot happening on this particular vehicle. Let's try the automatic scan. Topology view and quickly identifying as well. So that's quite nice to see. The speed is here as well. Now this particular tool, not only have we got the topology view, we've got that list mode, but we've also got the SFD status. So this is telling us obviously whether the particular model is actually locked or unlocked. So that's quite a nice feature. And again, from a first experience and first use of this tool, it's the first time I picked it up. Navigation, really quite easy, quite simple, and it's very self-explanatory. Still that little tree there, so we know that the orange ones are dictating to us that they've got ECU, fault code stored, grey one there with no response, and we've got the green ones here that are normal operation, and of course with the white with not scanned. So that really is full quick scan, done, dusted, and that's taken no time whatsoever. Now, importantly, has it done the accuracy? Can we find that fault code that we've seen already that we know that we've introduced? Let's have a look. We'll go into the DTC list, and as we start to scroll down, what is interesting is we've got the U code and we've got the B codes, but we've also got this other number here that's in brackets. That's going to be the OE manufacturer code. So we're looking for that P code. It's identified quite a lot of codes. There we go. There's our fault code that we've introduced there. There's the P0B3700. Now what this has given us is that code there in brackets there, which we're assuming is probably the vehicle manufacturer code. It's given us some other interesting information, but it does know that it's passive and sporadic. So since we've actually disconnected and reconnected, but it's giving us the exact same description. High voltage service, disconnect, open. Same. So that's a tick for accuracy on fault code detection.